This is gonna be a crazy one. Oh my goodness.
Alrighty, how you doing, bro?
No?
What's up, man? How you doing?
How's it going, dude?
Good, good. Nice to see
Nice
you
to
again,
meet you.
bro. Man.
Dude, this is beautiful.
As a new owner of a 1997 Mustang Cobra
Right.
in the same color, I'm super excited about this.
You really?
Yeah, I totally am.
Man.
This is gorgeous, man.
Man, your ride over there is sick as shit, man. I
Oh,
love
thank
it.
you.
I love it, bro. Man,
How you
hey,
look?
I appreciate you for letting me do this with you because I used to have a Honda, right? I had a Honda 2018. I was going to get a Type R, but I didn't know how to drive manual. I always had autos, right? So basically, I got a Sport, and I had a red one, and then I just like bought all the parts to make it look like a Type R. And I was just showing people that you can. My whole thing was like, for those that couldn't afford it or had the greatest credit, you can still make your own in a way, you know what I'm saying? So
Yeah,
I was just trying to make people feel comfortable in the price range. Like, look, you can still do this as well, you know what I'm saying? Work your way up. That's how my little Honda fan base took over. So
Yeah, that's the cool thing about Honda is that they have something for everybody
Right,
at every
right.
price point.
Right,
So,
right.
So how did you end up in a 6-speed manual 2020 Mustang GT?
Man, hey, you know what? It's crazy. I didn't even think I was gonna get it because I was in the market to buy a Type R myself. Because I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to get a manual car this time. And then my cousin was like, what about Mustang? And I was like, next thing you know, we just went up there and I got it, and it was super quick. It took like 4 hours. I ain't gonna lie, I always had a V6. I had my last Mustang was a 2014 V6. It was all red as well. So, and this was the only red one there. And I like the black package where it comes with the black roof, the black badging, the black pony, and that really stuck out to me. Man, I'm not gonna lie, this is my first manual, and it's.
Oh crap! So you learned to drive manual in this car?
Yeah.
Holy crap!
Yeah, it's
Actually, man, I find that these V8 muscle cars are easy to drive
Right.
because they have so much torque.
Right.
So it's actually really easy to put it in gear.
and it's have rev match as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I can show you the inside real quick.
Yeah. Man. Oh, I love that Mustang badge. 55 years. Holy crap.
Okay, and this is another reason why I got this. So I was trying to get, it was either a Type R or I was thinking about like a STI.
Okay.
So I was thinking about JDM cars. I'm more a JDM person, but muscle car wise, I love Mustangs.
I looked at the specs on this car to know what I'm going up against. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any videos on YouTube
Me too.
of tuned Type Rs versus stock 5.0. So
Yes.
this will be the first video on YouTube of that.
Yeah, it's funny because me and my brother was last night, literally, I was trying, I don't know, man, how I'm gonna do against this Type R. I never raced a tuned Type R. I raced 2 Type Rs, 2 of my friends had Type Rs, but they done stuff, but it's not tuned. So when it's tuned, it's a different ball game.
Yeah.
So I have no experience with, I mean, you know, and then we went on videos all last night, couldn't find nothing.
I did the
Couldn't
same
find-
thing.
I did the same thing. I was like, dude, I want to know how this is gonna go. This car, just so you guys know, in the 6-speed manual version, it does 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds and quarter mile in 12.4.
That's super fast, man.
Yeah.
So what do you have done to it?
So far, the only thing I did is just a muffler delete. Everything is still stock.
I mean, 460 horsepower.
Yeah.
And 7,400 RPM redline?
Yep.
Dude,
Yep.
that's insane.
Yep. It's insane. It's so quick. I mean, from the few cars that I raced like a Hellcat, Red Eye, best out of 4. I got them like 3 times. Raced a Supra. I raced some Type R. I raced a few cars, but I love it. It's just, it's a good car, bro. Like,
So both of our cars are known for their top end.
yeah.
So this will
Yeah.
be extremely interesting. How do they make a V8 rev 7,400? That blows my mind.
That's higher than my 900SI rev. I mean, that's crazy. I am so pumped for this, guys. This is gonna be wild. All right, you ready? 1, 2, go! One, two, go! I have such an adrenaline rush right now. There's so much lag. Let's try a third gear 50 roll. I think that would do a lot better. Ready? 1, 2, go! God, that Mustang sounds amazing. For those of you who may be new to my channel, I have the PRL Intercooler, PRL HVI, MAPerformance Street Exhaust, and Hondata Flashpro with the Phearable Stage 2 tune. Ready? 1, 2, go! What in the heck, man? That is so close. So he shifted really well that time. I think the first couple runs, his first shift was a little slow, but he did very well that run.
No, man, your thing is quick, bro.
Hey man, this is quick, dude. I can't believe how high this revs. It sounds insane coming from a V8 revving that high.
Are you serious? Because I never really get to hear it
dude.
outside. But
oh, you'll hear it on the video, yeah.
Oh my God. The runs that we did so far, Jesus.
Yeah, pretty wild.
Wow.
I think 50 was our best one.
Yeah.
So let's do another 50, because dude, that was so close, man.
That was so insane.
That was so close. Because, were you losing traction at all in second gear rolls?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was too.
Badly. The second race, when I was trying to shift to third, I was stuck in neutral for a minute. So
oh, shit.
I was like, oh shit. So I'm still, still a little learning, but yeah, I kind of got stuck on neutral for a couple of seconds, and then I got into third, and then it kind of.
Has Tremec fixed the 3/4 shift fork problem that I think the 2018 had?
I think they did. They
must have by now.
Yeah, I heard they did, but your car, the turbos. Now, wait till you hear it on this camera. The turbo sounds insane.
Oh, you can hear it spool up?
Insane.
Nice. Yeah, with the tune.
Oh my!
It's just pulling it. It's just pulling in more boost. Is that guy? That guy was like staring at us for a little bit. I wonder if he's coming to talk to us. He probably knows what's going down.
Yeah, but this car is just like driving so good. How you doing, sir?
I think he's cool.
Yeah.
Here's the final race. Ready? 1, 2, go! Ladies and gentlemen, that was so much fun. Oh, I was only in sport mode. I don't really think it makes that big of a difference. I can't wait to hear what Mo has to say about that, so we're gonna go meet up and talk about it. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Hi. How are you? You're a good doggy. Come here. Do you want a treat? No? I like this one in front. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, cutie. We're all done. What did you think about that, man?
Man, the race was amazing. All I can say is that Type R, I never experienced a tuned one. His Type R is insane. The sound on my video, you're gonna hear it. It sounds like a jet. I can't imitate it. It's gotta be a VQ. Yep. But yeah, no, his car is insane. And I already love Type Rs. For my followers that know me, know I love Type Rs. I wanted a Type R, but from experiencing your car, the top end is insane.
Both of these, man.
It's crazy, bro. Your car, yeah, that was so fun. That was so fun. Man, we got to keep doing that. The more we keep doing to our cars, And then one day I might have to take it out on the turns, you know what I'm saying?
Dude, so I'm gonna come out to the Bay Area pretty soon for a group drive.
Okay.
You should definitely take this out.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm down. I'm down for it.
So we were also talking about, because I have my Cobra, once that's fixed, I said, hey, let's plan to go to some drag racing at Thunderhill Raceway. And obviously, I mean, it'll be just for fun, because this is like 2 seconds faster in the quarter mile.
Right.
But still be a lot of fun. So we will do that soon.
I was thinking about it. I have an Acura LS, right? And
Integra?
Yeah, Integra.
You have an Integra?
Yeah.
Dude, that's sweet.
Right now I'm building it as a time attack, so it's like super aggressive. I have a sponsorship with Top One Motors, so they hooked me up with side skirts, rear diffuser. And right now it's stock because it's like my daily driver, but I'm kind of thinking about going crazy with the engine, and it's real cheap. That car is real cheap to fix up, so maybe, hopefully, I can race the Type R on a real track. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that'd be insane.
I think that'd be dope.
Once the weather cools down a
Yeah,
bit.
yeah,
Definitely for sure.
Hopefully, like later on this year, because I still got a lot of stuff to do, but definitely thinking about doing that. So I want to race the Honda. That'd be cool. That'd be cool, man.
Guys, please go check out Mo's channel.
Thank you, man.
I have the link in the description. Also his Instagram. He actually let me drive his car.
Yes.
And I didn't record it, but he did, so he's actually going to have a separate video on that. If you guys want to go see that, support his channel.
Thank you. Hey, he drove it real good. Great guy. And he's the only person I ever let drove this car. Like, I never let anybody drive my car. I never let my brother, nobody drove the car. He's the first one.
Damn.
Good guy. Good guy, man. I appreciate it. Thank you so much,
I appreciate
bro.
you for coming out, dude.
Of course, man.
It's
Anytime.
nice meeting
Anytime.
you. Yeah.
Anytime. More to come.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.